We want to get an update on the forecast. Today and tomorrow are weather impact alert days as some strong storms arrive.
Rain could be very heavy and it's expected to last overnight until Tuesday morning. Flooding is expected to be the top local concern. Chief Meteorologist Chris Franklin joining us now with more on that severe weather threat. Where should we be worried, Chris?
Well, it's really going to be more of an issue overnight tonight going into early on Tuesday. We've had some storms rolling through the area, but the strongest are still out over Texas, but beginning to move into western Louisiana. And also notice we do have a new tornado watch issued for those folks. However, it does look like as that line starts to move further east into southeastern Louisiana, the energy for tornadic storms will be weakening, which is why I think our focus is going to be a little bit more on the flooding potential. Not going to be a widespread concern, but we know it doesn't take much to get that street flooding. So far today, we have had more moderate to a few pockets of some heavier showers. This is just kind of the initial surge of moisture that we were expecting well ahead of our front, and the front itself isn't going to move through until kind of later tomorrow evening at night when we finally start to see a drop in our temperatures. Thus far, the rain has been manageable, but as we continue through the latter part of the night tonight, that's when we're expecting more of some heavy storms to roll on through. Probably not until after midnight. And notice this model doesn't have just a solid line. We'll have kind of these cells passing through. As long as they keep moving, we're in okay shape. It's if we get any kind of banding of showers, then some efficient rain producing cells that would lead to the flooding risk. And again, I don't believe that's going to be a widespread concern as we go throughout the night as well, but we're kind of watching anything down to the south of the line itself, because the line really is not going to get here until early tomorrow morning. Flooding with a few isolated strong to severe storms, our main concern. What I would do tonight, park on higher ground and make sure you have a way to get those alerts, as again, the threat will be during the overnight. We will start to see our temperatures coming down dramatically as we continue through the week. More on our cold fronts in a few minutes.
All right, Chris, thank you.